Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti with a fried zucchini. For the ingredients we got spaghetti, casacavallo, zucchini, basil, garlic, and flake hot pepper. Okay, now we start to cut the zucchini. And the zucchini take this out, and this out. And we start to slide the zucchini around. Look at nice zucchini. Beautiful. Now we cut the second one. Okay, now we put the oil on this spatula, put the gas on. Got this oil, I gotta fry the zucchini. Okay. Now we wait the oil to be nice hot and we fry the zucchini right over here. Okay, now the oil is hot, but the try really, you take the zucchini and you do like this. You see bubble? And the oil is good. And now we start fry the zucchini. But when you fry the zucchini, it's okay, this is garbage. We do like this, but make sure do not burn yourself. Look at nice, bubble, and make sure the oil does not be too high now, okay? We lower down a little bit, and look how beautiful looking at the zucchini. Okay, nice, see, start to fry, start to be a little color, but this you gotta fry nice, slow. Okay, the color you gotta be like a brown, not like this. This is still it's white. You see, when you turn this, it's not ready yet. You gotta be nice color. You see the zucchini, what you do, you fry. When you fry it, you see it dents in the oil, but you gotta be nice a little color. And I wanted the zucchini to be like me, happy, it dance with a star. Look, you see this one over here? You start to be a little color, and I want more color of this.
Please subscribe to watch more.
With the pasta, a nice glass of wine. Hey, you feel much better. A little jump around a little bit like this. Big bang, big bang, big bang. Okay, now look how beautiful look. It's the way it gotta be. It's a nice fry, nice. You take it out, and I put on this dish with a paper towel, okay, drain all the oil, the oil what you got inside. Take your time. Okay. If this is done, and now we gotta do the rest. Okay, now this is the last one, and we take out, it's everything ready. Okay, look at this, nice. Okay, we take the oil out, but not all thing, they leave a little bit. Okay, it's not. Okay, now the oil stay over there, and now it's time to put the pasta. And I got the water boiled, and I salt it already. Okay, we give a nice turn for the pasta. Now we got over here the oil. Okay, I want to fry the garlic. To make a nice color for the garlic. Now you gotta be really low the oil to not burn the garlic. The pasta gotta be al dente. I gotta put it right over here. After we gotta use the zucchini, little water, and I got the cheese. Okay, gotta come nice creamy. And this you gotta be so good that I wanna sit down. I don't want nobody bother me with my glass of wine. Okay, now the garlic is ready. We load the gas. The pasta is ready. We turn off, and let's put the pasta right close over here. And we take the pasta like this. But make sure now that the oil is hot. Okay. Okay, good. So you know drain the pasta really good, that's okay, okay? You need a little water. Oh, look how nice.
Please subscribe to watch more.
Okay, let's move this part back a little bit. And now, all right, now we need a little water. The pasta water. Okay, good. So we saute like this and now like that. Okay, now we got the flake of hot pepper. And we saute this. Okay, now I put a little bit more water. Okay, it's enough. And now we put cheese. We make a nice creamy. Oh, look how beautiful this cheese. This is coming from my city, Orsara, Italy. Okay, now what I do, we saute this. Okay. Now we use the zucchini. And we saute the zucchini together, but I want to use more cheese on the top of the zucchini. Good. Okay, now this is almost done. And I got basil. This will give a really good taste to the basil. Okay, we give a nice turn on this. Good. Okay, we're done. And we bring it right on the table. Got this, I got a taste. Look how beautiful. Nice. Okay, I got a zucchini over here. Nice. Okay, I like it. Look at this. Okay. And let's taste this pasta. Look at that. Oh. E the zucchini? Perfect. The pasta
Please
nice and
subscribe
tender,
to watch
zucchini
more.
really good. And the cheese, it makes so good taste. Salute cincin everybody. Make this dish, it's delicious. Everybody like. Salute e cincin, and thank you so much to watch this video. Salute. Thank you.